Good morning. Oh, well, actually, I should say good afternoon, folks. Here at Tier 3, we are doing an F8 for a RYFT exhaust. That's out, that's out, that's out. It's very empty. Very, very empty. So we are going to put, oops, sorry. We are going to put this baby on. This is a very, very gorgeous RYFT exhaust. Titanium tips. Sorry. So do a little before, hopefully, and well, sorry, we got the clips earlier, so do a little show before, and then we'll show after what it sounds like. Mind you, also that this thing, not sure who did the work, but this thing also has some downpipes on it. Not sure what brand. If I figure it out, I'll put in the description for you folks to hear. And it looks like it is catless. But other than that, yeah, stay tuned, folks. You listen to his freaking baby sounds. We got the nice RYFT exhaust on. Everything's all hooked up. Started it up, it sounded pretty good. I let it cool down, but also put it back together. Get everything ready for the customer. And he's good to enjoy the weekend with a very, very loud F8. Stay tuned again.